Why is the GE profile oven beeping and displaying probe?
Does it display the probe symbol similar to having a meat probe installed in the oven even when it is not, or does it give an F20 error code?
It has the word probe and also the word baked blinking. It also keeps beeping continuously. There is no error code being displayed.
Most probably the probe jack has shorted. Try turning the circuit breaker off for 60 seconds to reset the board to erase any false readings. If it returns, you will need to replace the jack, which involves pulling the oven out and taking off the sidewall.
This happens even if we don't use the probe.
Correct. Sometimes it can get too hot or may short circuit for no reason at all.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.